In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Ringcentral. If you've ever wanted to customize the appearance of your Ringcentral app to suit your preferences or work environment, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow. First up, let's head over to the Ringcentral app's Messages section. You'll want to have your device ready and logged into your account, heading over to the Ringcentral Messages page. This is the main starting point where you can access various features and settings of the application. Navigating to this area gets you set up for the next few steps where we will dive into changing your background theme. Now once you're in the Messages section, it's time to move on and look for the Themes option. You'll need to locate and select Settings. Within the Settings, find the General tab. You should see the option for Themes. This is where the customization magic happens. Clicking on Themes will open up the settings specific to how your Ringcentral application can look and feel. Next, you'll see an option that says Follow System Settings. By selecting this, Ringcentral will automatically match the theme settings of your operating system, which can be handy if you prefer your apps to have a consistent look. However, if you want to go beyond the system theme and choose something unique, stay with me for the next part. Now comes the exciting part, where you can truly personalize your application. Under the Themes section, you'll be given a variety of theme options to choose from. Take your time here to experiment with different looks and see which one you like the most. Remember, the theme you select will dictate the overall appearance of your Ringcentral app, from the chat backgrounds to menus, so go with something that feels comfortable and suits your style. Once you've settled on your theme of choice, just click to apply it. There's no need for additional confirmation steps, as Ringcentral will automatically implement the changes. Then take a moment to check out the new look and explore how the theme affects the appearance across different sections within the app. It's always great to see a bit of personalization come to life in the software you use every day. And there you have it. Changing your background theme in Ringcentral is that straightforward. It's a simple tweak that can make a big difference in how you interact with the app in your daily workflow. I hope this guide was helpful and gave you a better understanding of how to navigate the theme settings. Feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need a refresher on these steps. Enjoy your newly customized Ringcentral experience.